Hi guys! Shared hosting and domain names market players usually compare market between them. In ICANN meetings, in TLD meetings, in different industry meetings, always talking how is Belgium, is better Latin America is going, what is in Tanzania, how is Africa, what is China, and people start comparing different countries and they domainity. They don't use term, but they use like also when you compare countries like with population with country GDP, you just compare like GDP per capita. Is Switzerland better than Lithuania? But about domainity, nobody talking. But it's really only one way how to compare domainization of each country. So some countries are very big and internet penetration is very low. Some countries are very small, but they have a lot of huge amount of domains. So we create a rating that shows all countries in one list with their domainization, with their domainity level. So we just calculate how many domains are per thousand capital. Very, very easy. Of course, there are some exceptions, like there are some small countries that have more domains than population, or there are some countries where there are no domains at all, and there are countries with extremely interesting numbers you will see in the list. But now, our presidents can compare what will happen to Tanzania if Tanzania has the same domainity level as United States. You can see who is better dominized, United States or Belgium. And you can compare Lithuania with Russia, you can compare Croatia with Africa. We can see which country in Africa is dominized most. Because we see like Nigeria, as example, has more domains than Kenya, but what is domainity level? Maybe they just have more population, and also you will see potential of every country. We use this ratio for 6 months to understand how countries are undeveloped or developed. And also I recommend to you to use this term as well and these numbers as well, because it's really a lot of interesting and unique information that you will find nowhere, only on our website. And also I am very thankful if you share some updates, because when we collect this information we use a lot of sources. We wrote to registries, we collect information from public data from websites. But if you still see some like small corrections, please inform us either in comments, or better if on the website you have a button, just provide the better information. I will be very thankful, and I am proud that you will use this technology. And if you have some questions, you know how to find me or our company. It's really nice thing, and I believe it will help you to increase your sales, increase your market understanding, and provide you a better strategy for your business. And now it's only one way in the world how you can compare Croatia with the United States. If Russia will reach United States level, how it will look like. What happens if, I don't know, who is better, Lithuania or Belarus? So it's only one way how you can compare it, and if you have more ideas, just share with that. Thank you guys, and meet you on next video.